Hi everyone, I'm showing you how to do the fisheye effect. So first things first, you're going to grab your clip. I got this off of Storyblocks. And then you're going to type in lens distortion. Scroll all the way down. You're going to drag that on top of your clip. And once you're here, you're going to go over to curvature. And you're going to turn that all the way up to 100. And then you're going to command right click on here. You're going to hit nest and then hit OK. And then you're going to drag another lens distortion on top of that and do the same thing with the curvature. Turn it all the way up. Next, you're going to go to scale. Fit that to the size that you want. After that, we're going to go to opacity, hit the oval, and then you're going to take the markers and stretch it to the sides. Once that's done, you're going to go to mask feather and turn it up. This is going to blur the edges so it doesn't look so circular. And that's it.